done the math homework for today?
Not yet. I am having trouble solving question number 4. It's about fraction and I am not sure how to simplify them. How about you?
I finished it. Do you want me to help you with that question?
That will be awesome. Can figure out the right steps.
Sure. Let me show you. First, you need to find the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. Then you can simplify the fraction.
Okay, thank you, Marsha.
You're welcome.